Hi guys, it is Friday. As you probably would know that on Friday in this house we do not cook. It's a pizza Friday and this is what we got today. A triple deck. Like guys, these days tell me if it's me or what. A triple decker these days is no longer triple decking. Like, what is this? A triple decker used to be like triple deck, but these days it's not make sure. But nonetheless, this is what we're having today. Triple decker chicken, what's this in lesson? Oh, it's not chicken. I thought they bought chicken. It's something meaty. So yeah guys, this is what we're gonna have today as our supper. Let us go and enjoy. It looks so yummy though. Let's go and enjoy our pizza Friday. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Tembega Dlamini, aka Utapswa Bantwana. If you've been here, thank you guys for always coming back. I appreciate you so much. And if it's your first time coming here, hope you do stay and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. This is a new vlog. I am opening this vlog today. It is a Friday. I always forget the dates. What is the date today? It's in what date?
Friday the 13th of December.
Oh yeah, Friday the 13th. Hey guys, what happened to Friday the 13th? Hey, skule sikhohliswa yazi. Because I wanted to put gloss on my lips. My lips are dry. And guys, pay sana. I'm gonna have to visit this camp again. So yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. This is a new vlog guys. Thank you for watching my videos. We are still continuing with Vlogmas, and yeah, so far so good. It's doing well. I am trying my best to participate in Vlogmas. I'm still learning guys, you know this. So yeah, so it's a Friday today. We just had something to eat. We bought pizzas. We don't cook on Fridays, so we bought pizzas. We had a pizza Friday with the kids, and yeah, and I remembered that I forgot to unbox things that we bought. I think it was 2 weeks ago, if not way before than 2 weeks. We went to Sportsin, me and Zintle, some time ago, and actually when I saw the cap that I bought on the last vlog, that's when we went to buy these things that I want to unbox now. And I saw that cap and I told myself that I'm gonna come back for it. I went back and bought the cap, but I forgot to unbox the things that I was just putting away for you guys so that I can unbox them with you. So yeah guys, I just want to quickly do that as I'm opening this vlog now. So we went to Sport Scene Sinozintle some time ago and we bought some things guys. Or let me start with these ones first. Let me start with these ones and we'll talk about the one that I bought for myself after. So Uzintle wanted to go and buy Christmas gift for his siblings. So this is the first thing that she bought. She bought these sneakers. Very cutesy. She bought these cute sneakers, and this is size 4. This is for Uhlele. Very nice. I love the color. This is, I don't know if you can be able to see the color properly on camera, but this is dark gray, like charcoalish and pinkish. It's very nice. So she bought these for Schley. These are very nice. I love them so much. I told you these I can wear them myself. I love it. I love them. I can also wear this myself. And this was 1,299. It's 1.3. Hope it's focusing. 1,300 rands. That's the first thing that we bought. And also she bought these for ZZ. Also nice, cute Puma sneakers. Cutie. Love this so much. Love this. This is pinkish and white for ZZ. Nice Puma sneakers. And this is size 1. This is size 1. Also it was 1,300 rands. Hope it's focusing. Is it? Yeah, it's 1,300 rand for Gigi. And then Zintle bought herself this cutie t-shirts. Yeah. I always say you always buy the same thing. She always buy t-shirts like this, black in color. She's always in black. You can hardly see Uzintle wearing color.
But I am now.
No, you're not.
I'm wearing color now.
Gray and white is not
I'm
color.
wearing white.
White and gray is not color. It's either she's on gray, white, or black. But most of the time she's on. And the t-shirt that she's wearing, maybe she's got 5 of them. Maybe she's got 5 of them, the same. But I love this one so much because it's different. I feel like she has something like this, man. But yeah, this is very nice. It's so lovely. I love it. And this was 409. It's 500 rands, guys. 500 rand for this smolanyana t-shirts. 5. Hope it's focusing because one thing about the camera, it will not focus. And she said she's gonna wear this on Sunday. She's going to Chris Brown girl. So yeah, I think that's why I remembered to unbox this, because she was talking about this t-shirt that she wants to wear it to Chris Brown on Sunday. So I remembered that I wanted to do this unboxing. And me na ke udabs win. Guys, I used to say I don't love these shoes. I used to say zimbi. But lately I've been wanting them. I love them so much, and I told myself that I'm gonna go get these for myself, guys. And uzitle uti peer pressure. Uzitle uti peer pressure, but I started loving them so much and I couldn't resist. Zan. Guess ukuthi kunani lana. The price is 1,900. I bought these for myself. Girl bought these for her and her siblings. Mina, I bought these. She didn't want to buy me anything. But ndaba. So I bought these. Guess what's in here, guys? Hey, I love them so much. I love them. But ngendlela bengingazifundi ngayo, ngendlela ebengithi amasamba, guys, mabi. But wow, son, I'm loving them so much. I got myself some sambas. This is very nice, and I love the black one. I wanted the black one. I've been wanting to buy sambas for quite some time now, and I've been seeing like blue and brown, but no, I wanted black. And finally I saw the black one, and it is so cute, guys. It is so cute, and I hope they're comfortable, because I usually hear that you need to size up for sambas, because when you buy your exact size it gets too tight. So mina, I am size 3 kahle kahle. I'm size 3 and 4, but on these ones I got 4.5. I fitted them in the store, and I feel like they're gonna be fine for me. This is size 4.5. So yeah, guys, that is my unboxing. I love this so much, and I'm so excited. At least I've got something for Christmas, guys. Kalog, even as funny impahla ze Christmas. So yeah, at least I've got something for myself. And that is that, guys. That is my unboxing. And yeah, the girls love their shoes so much, and we'll see on Sunday. Hopefully I'm gonna be able, oh Gonja, I'll be working on Sunday. I was gonna vlog Usisi when she's wearing the t-shirt and going to the concert. I'm gonna ask her to take few clips for us for Chris Brown. Now we don't relate with Chris Brown, but if she agrees, I'm gonna ask her to take clips so that we see what's gonna happen. We concert Chris Brown. Otherwise, for now, guys, I'm opening this vlog, and I hope you do stay and enjoy another Vlogmas episode with me. And yeah, for now, let me continue with my evening, and I'll catch up with you some other time. Bye. Go on. I got I two. 3. Oh, okay. Yes, I'm going
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway, nothing else matters. It's my heart that
I bought this earlier on Checkers 60. I thought I was gonna cook this for myself. I am home alone, so I just decided, no man, let me just go by myself. It's tears, and let me not cook. Abantu bala endlini abekho, and like I'm not gonna bother myself trying to cook, so this is what I'm gonna have. I just thought of buying something a corner here. Yo sana begin amazipho. I just thought, let me just buy something quick. This is my supper, guys. Just gonna eat, continue watching TV, and yeah, tomorrow it's another day, another dollar. I'm going to work, so yeah, let me just eat and relax. I'll talk to you later. It is a Sunday today, the 15th of December, and I am on my way to my cousin's place. We're going there. We'll be chilling for this weekend. We're having a brainyana. It's me and my cousins. We usually do that. We usually get together, and this time my cousin Usiswe Crop Top is the one who's hosting us, and I am on my way there right now. So yeah, we are going together. I am gonna catch up with you when I get there, and yeah, see you when we get there. I'm almost there. The time is around about 5 o'clock. I'm not sure if others are already there, but I'll see. I think I am early, but okay, let's go. Come enjoy this big weekend with me at my cousin's place. Mwah. I just arrived and it seems like people are not here yet. It seems like I am the first one to arrive, but okay, sizolinda sobalinda ngengoma so long. And yeah, it's very hot. I am even sweating, guys. I am sweating. It's hot. But yeah, let me go inside and see what's happening inside, and I'll talk to you. And we invite you. We invite you again, sissy. Yeah.
Oh my God, guys, this is my first drink of the night.
Okay. Yes. Hi, I am Dapsy, and this is my first drink.
Mnikeza ngene once.
Brian Master, edit again.
Yeah, last time, Brian.
Last time.
You've been saying last time. Until next year. So after 30, I'll surprise.
See, it could be poison. Could be poison.
Amba ha. Amba when. Ebo.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know too much.
Hi, I'm Yolanda. This is my second drink of the night.
Imnandi bag. My name is Yapsi and this is my second bag for the day. Ah, Masiangan. Wabulanga kwi vlog. Keep it, please. Masia mlenzan. Ni kubila nini? Ato! Ba Ato!
This one I bet you me, I know get that.
Rappel ni amem lilwen.
Nyewa. Ijane wanze penyama. No ijane nyama. Anda mtwan. Mwe kwete. Ay, voy a dar una mano. So izinyama ziyaphela.
Wathi ndiyaya.
Pause. Dala inyama.
Ivela kona. Indlela ewani bamele.
Ndingapheli ndingayivanga.
Yothatha udije camera nje.
It's so nice and tender.
Hayi bo ngomthama. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. The girl them ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. The girl them ride the whip. I know people. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the streets, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say,
My name is Lazola. This is my first bag.
I want them to go to mom.
Manje udlasisela phi? Ufuna
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Deny your sins all over me, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 and rock right up to the eye of my mountain.
shots of the night.
That's my back when now you're doing it with Emerald. Okay. Yo.
Deep and deep.
Okay, it's your first shot.
Second shot of the night.
First shot of the night.
Situation in front of us, and I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need to make a way for me to see. But as for me, you're the one. Till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time will come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers. But as for me,
cheers to more life, more success, more everything, more everything, more fire. Oh yes. To more everything.
That's a super phone. Ask me you say can go.
I got to see the office or in apron. But long phone line.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you went over me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Tell I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. Feels like I just sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make me so smart. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, I'm fed out on the pillow. I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say my name. Close your eyes and let yourself see. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way. Now
For the family, for the family.